Hop into the 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's an Avalanche that delivers the security and comfort of a full-size SUV and the practicality of a pickup. Smooth, quiet, rugged, and thoughtfully designed to be as pleasant to drive as it is useful. This versatility vehicle was designed with your lifestyle in mind. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, cooled front seat, wood grain interior trim, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, premium sound system, four-wheel drive, backup camera. Feel comfortable and prepared in this versatile Avalanche. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.